Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's me again, Alliah Raquel, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to make a sweet. It's one of my daily routine as well. So let's start now. Let's start for the ingredients. Guys, this is a very simple recipe. Only what I need is thick cream and gelatin and sugar and coffee because the flavor is coffee, and vanilla as well. So you will like it, so yummy. Okay guys, let's start for this cream, thick cream. I need 2 pack of thick cream. I already opened. And I add only half cup of sugar or less. We don't need too much sugar. And now let's turn on the low fire. Just low fire, and we need to stir it till dissolve the sugar and mix to the thick cream. Guys, this is only I think it's only 15 minutes preparation. Continue stirring and mix nicely. Guys, before I forgot, please subscribe to my channel and please like my Facebook fan page, follow me on my Instagram account and my TikTok. Okay, let's put hot water to the gelatin powder. Gelatin powder only less for 1 tablespoon. We don't need too much sticky one. The Panna Cotta, it becomes so hard. So only 3/4 of tablespoon. Okay, then it's almost boiling. Let's add this gelatin powder. Don't stop stirring. And now almost boiling. Let's add a drop of vanilla. It's done. Let's off the fire. Okay, and let's pour to our beautiful tiny glass. Only half of it because I want the others want to just plain, and the half I want to add the coffee. This the coffee. It's up to you what kind of coffee you want. Then let's dissolve it. I want to add here some maybe 2 spoons. Because this is a coffee Panna Cotta. Originally from Italian sweets. Okay. Now let's pour it to my tiny container. Guys, you can try this also. It's very easy recipe, but it's so more yummy. It still have. Charan! Okay. To the coffee flavor, I want to add some more coffee to make it darker. So, and same like a design. And the plain one, I gonna put this raspberry for flavor, for garnish. Charan! Ang sobrang isa. Yan. Charan! It's done. This is the coffee and panna cotta dessert, originally from Italian sweets. So guys, that's all for now, and you can try also this kind of recipe. You will love it more and more and more. Thank you for watching, and God bless everyone. Bye bye.